How to track flights on kayak.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to track flights using the Kayak flight tracker. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then you'll need to search for Kayak flight tracker and then open up the first link. Now you'll need to put in the airline, or you can also put in airport if you know it. So put in the airline and then put in the flight number and then put in the departure date and then tap on track flight. And then there you go. You can get all the departure and the arrival details of the flight. So it's simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.